The sustainable use of natural resources based on geoscientific expertise, including energy resources needed for everyday life, goes beyond the interest of the targeted countries. At present, 20% of the Earth's population consumes the majority of the energy produced. If all 7 billion people of our planet use the amount of energy consumed by an average European citizen, the present energy resources of the Earth should need to be doubled. By 2040, when the Earth's population is estimated to reach 9 billion, another 2 planets will be required to supply sufficient energy sources. Furthermore, the use of renewables helps to reduce the carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere derived from the burning of fossil fuels, one of the factors most cited for being responsible for climate change. The Pannonian Basin is often cited as an area with one of the best geothermal potentials in Europe due to its favorable geological setting. Going downwards in the subsurface, the temperature increases by 1 degree Celsius per 33 meters. This is the geothermal gradient. In the Pannonian Basin, this value is 18 meters. In other words, the temperature increases faster and the value of the geothermal gradient is about 1.5 times greater than the global average. Thermal groundwaters flow along regional paths on a scale of 100 km, governed by the temperature and pressure differences in the subsurface. These flows are driven by the cold meteoric waters infiltrating in the mountainous areas surrounding the basin. As water percolates, it gets heated and expands. Its density decreases, therefore upwards along favorable geological structures such as fault plains. These hot waters can be brought to the surface from the depths by drilled wells and utilized in many different ways. Geothermal energy is a renewable form of energy. However, it can be utilized only with certain restrictions, namely that the amount of thermal water abstracted does not allow the pressure and yield of the reservoir to decrease. Therefore, the utilization of a hydrogeothermal systems becomes a water management issue at the same time. Experience shows that the possible negative effects of one country's overexploitation, such as decrease in the yield and temperature, are often felt in the neighboring country due to the regional nature of thermal groundwater flow paths. Therefore, only a harmonized transboundary water and energy management strategy can lead to a sustainable utilization of geothermal resources.